Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Christmas fudge. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you consider subscribing. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Next, you're going to need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of butterscotch chips, half cup of raisins, half cup of chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 tablespoon butter. Turn your stove on medium-low heat, and I have mine set on number 4, and you're just going to heat this through until it's melted. This will take 4 to 5 minutes. If you're a Belizean watching this, you're probably thinking, Gelda, what kind of fudge that? That's how we make fudge at Belize. And you're right, this is not a Belizean fudge, but I'm not making a Belizean fudge. This is more like an American fudge. I learned about this from my hubby. He said he remembers eating this as a kid and it wouldn't be Christmas if he didn't have some fudge. You just want to make sure you keep stirring it so everything could get nice and melted. I'm going to put this in an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can use wax paper, or you can even use some aluminum foil. Just spray it down with some cooking spray. You just don't want it to stick to the paper. When you add that butter in there, it just makes it slide right out of the pan. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow me. Use your spatula and spread it evenly in the pan. What I like about making your own fudge is that you can put whatever you want in there. So you can add any kind of nuts in there, you can put currants in there, pretzels. I've even seen people put bacon in there. So really you can put whatever you want. Put this in the fridge for several hours so it could firm up. I left mine in the fridge overnight because I wanted to go out and do some shopping. So this is what it looks like the next day. But I videoed the whole thing when it came out of the fridge. I cut it on camera and everything. And then we realized that the card wasn't in the camera, so I don't have any footage for you. And my hubby forgot to put the card in, so yeah, I don't have any footage. So just so you know, I wanted to beat him. I'm cutting this again so you can see the texture. It's not hard and it's not soft. It's like right in between. And I just put it in the fridge to firm up. But after I cut it, I leave it out on the counter because we'll be eating it and this will be finished in no time. But if you're keeping it for a while, just store it in the fridge. Keep in mind that it's cold here right now, so it's okay to leave out on the counter. But if you live in a hot place, you might want to keep it in the fridge just because it will melt. I just love this fudge. It tastes like you're eating a fruit and nut chocolate bar. That's the only way I can describe it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. It helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.